as lockdown begins, I think I'm going to become quite attached to my sofa. Books. Read, write, or draw them. Today I have drawn boots. Get creating. Or go on your daily walk and share your pics. Today's creative phrase is pot plant. Now I'm essentially housebound, there should be no excuse not to look after this little spider plant. Eistedd yn yr ardd yn arlunio a yfed te. Ymunwch â fi a bod yn creadigol. Ne, eistedd yn yfed te. It's a good blustery day to get the laundry out, and why not have a go at drawing it as it dries? Oh, whilst sitting in the sun. Sorting Sunday dinner and thought I'd draw some of it too. Don't just veg out on the sofa. Get painting. Keep hydrated.
Please wash your hands.
Be more cat. Noson fach dawel. Objects of desire. Lovely family walk today. Oh, lucky to have rural areas on our doorstep. Diwrnod prysur yn yr ardd heddi. Beat up kind of day. Motivation at a low. Today, I was asked to cheer up a good friend by drawing her dogs. Enjoy some pet therapy. Objects of torture. Lounge. The necessary evils of supermarket shopping. Done for another week. Keep safe, peeps, and enjoy the Easter weekend. And ymuno pas capus I bawb. Easter Saturday, baking day. Easter bunny. Happy Easter Sunday. No bunnies today. An expression of my current mood. Week 4 of lockdown. Crumpled, torn, disposable, dark, disconnected, cut up in pain. Take a day at a time. You are not alone. Without rain, there cannot be rainbows. Diwrnod tawel yn mwynhau'r heilwen yn yr ardd. I did not achieve my goal today. Blank page. Oh, wy'n dymuno cael mynd i'r traeth. Porth y wink yn y clo. Quiet day off duty today. As I sit at home listening to birdsong, I cannot thank enough the NHS workers and carers who are putting their lives on the line to help others. Enemy number 1. Massive shortages of PPE. Turkey were due to deliver days ago. Captain Tom Moore. Now dig now. Gwir arwr. One of the winners in all this madness, with less cars on the roads. Chill out Friday. Yes, it is Friday in case you've lost track. Trump is our saviour! Has to be the most stupid person ever to have walked the earth. Mynd am dro i'r goedwig. Love him or hate him, he's back. Hopefully a little humbled by his recent experience. Oh, traeth yw'r lle cyntaf fi'n ymwelda ar ôl y cyfnod clo. The universal symbol of strength and growth. Keep strong, everyone. Thursday, 8 p.m. Clap for the NHS. Remember, they are there 24/7 all year, every year. The NHS is not just for COVID. Wy'n dwlu ar gan y deryn di a'i pigau bach llawen. Our local countryside is our haven right now. Please don't fly tip and spoil it for others. A lovely walk locally seeing some wildlife. A woodpecker I saw. Mae unigolion ystod yn broblem, ond yn wath ar hyn o bryd. Happy quarantine birthday to my lovely son. Something a little less pretty today, as we have the highest death rate in Europe. Someone's been busy potting plants. Not me. From one war to another, thanking our heroes. Stay home this weekend. Give the police a chance to do their usual job. Stormy weather yesterday. Stay home, stay dry, save getting wet. Cyfnod dryslyd. Cadwch yn ddiogel. First place I'm headed after lockdown. Getting the economy going needs to be done safely and with support. So the barbers have reopened in New Zealand with long queues of queues. Mae'r bachan ma o hyd yn llwyno I godi calon. Siren. You cannot beat meeting friends and family in person, but for now, stay connected. Pilot trial for reception class. Social distancing. Bydd yn garedig bob tro. Wythnos codi ymwybyddiaeth Iechyd Meddwl. A difficult balance as more and more people lose their livelihoods, but lives are still being lost. This is a great opportunity for children to master letter writing, homeschooling, and cheering up lonely and cut-off people. Homeschooling on lockdown. Learning life skills. Getting fresh air. As this week focuses on kindness, it's good to see so many helping the vulnerable, elderly and shielded. Mae llawer o bobl yn cadw'n hynod o brysur yn ystod y clo. Cofiwch I gadw gofal o'ch hunain. Some of our unsung heroes at this trying time. In the grips of a pandemic, Mother Nature is busy claiming back the planet. The sad rise in youth homelessness as sofa surfers are moved on. Cymorth I lawer yn ystod y cyfnod clo. Homeschooling may be coming to an end soon for some. Mixed feelings around the country about schools reopening. I wasn't going to cover this story, but felt the need to say something, slightly less political drawing, to remind everyone to remember your vulnerable friends, neighbours and family. Maybe share some food or give them a ring. This should continue beyond lockdown. Getting our outdoor space ready for when we can have a socially distanced barbecue. Since gardening has not been stopped by lockdown, some green-fingered people should have good crops this year. Wrth i'r cyfnod clo lacio, cofiwch warchod yr NHS, timoedd achub, a'ch hunain. We're all in this together. Be kind. As more and more jobs are lost, this is a reality for far too many. Shielded people can meet with another household as of this week. To some, this will be a relief. Others will be more anxious. Golygfa'r stafell fyw. Diwrnod dan do heddi. Zoom meetings can be quite amusing. Remember to get dressed. And it seems hired goats are all the rage at some business meetings. Takeaway dinner today. No cooking and supporting local business. Win-win. A day on the sofa with a remote control. Staying home, saving lives. Test and trace is up and running. Let's hope the numbers remain low. Anyone else comfort eating through lockdown? So in England, they now have support bubbles. Working at home, business studies entrepreneur. Y cyntaf o'r cynydau haf, cynnyrch clo. It's all very stormy across the world right now. Y peth mae'r rhan fwyaf ohono ni'n colli mwy na dim yw cwtch. So today is the first day of the Royal Ascot 2020. There is no dress code, but an online option to dress up. And no Queen present. Well done, Bacchus Rashford. Your mum must be proud as you're a credit to her. Keep pushing for what you believe. What a star. We'll meet again. Rest in peace, Dame Vera Lynn. Wales is expected to see some changes to lockdown, with more shops opening and some sort of plan for schools. Virology versus economy. Happy summer solstice, everyone. Silatade hapus. Beth bynnag y tywydd. So today, you can join thousands of people queuing to get into the non-essential shops to buy stuff you don't really need. A great piece of performance art. An opera house in Barcelona held a live performance to 2,300 nursery plants as a comment on the need for an audience. Love it. All this look a bit too familiar. No wonder stress levels are up. Stay alert to your well-being. Mae'r tywydd di bod yn berffeth wythnos ma ar gyfer barbecue. Just as well, rain is forecast for the next few days, as I think many will be sporting this look after the heatwave. Ein dewis ni yw sut I ddelio gyda'r clo yn llacio. Mae'n emosiynau dros y lle ar ôl bod yn clo. So, Boris reckons he's as fit as a butcher's dog. Diwrnod amharod. Nôl i'r ysgol. So today, Boris the Builder is going to start rebuilding the economy. Brick by brick. Second wave. A case of when.